Welcome to another Gemini dent repair. Today we are tackling this dent in a rear door of a Lexus. Follow the rest of the video to show you some tips and tricks on how we went from this kind of damage to this lovely, nice straight black door. Okay, first step is getting the panel nice and clean. Now before I go with the isopropyl, I'll clean with glass cleaner to get any water-based contaminants off of there, and now clean with isopropyl 99% and a clean polish pad that's not polish or anything on the pad. It's just a clean white pad and isopropyl. And after that, you see I'm wiping. I wipe once, fold the cloth over, wipe again, and directional wiping to make sure I'm not contaminating and smearing things around. Now we've got the panel heated up to 200 degrees. It's time for some fun stuff. Going to be dripping some Solar Blitz glue from Collision Glue Systems onto a green Mamba tab. The Solar Blitz loves these green Mamba tabs. It's almost like it's welded onto the panel. And after that, we're going to be hooking up for a little pull. Okay, now it's time to hook it up to the Matic 5000 pulling tower. And if you watch closely, you'll be able to see this Mamba tab reverse the damage. It'll go from a convex to a concave over that body line. As you can see, we got a lot of that damage out with the first pull. The body line is still in a little bit, and there's a little bit of a dent there still, so we're going to have to hook up one more pull to get that out. Here's the second pull I was talking about, and we're going to use this green Mamba to walk out the rest of the dent. Now after those first two pulls, I got majority of that damage out, and it's time to switch gears to some PDR rods to push out any little imperfections I can get in there. And there's also a quite sharp crease above the initial dent. after using my rods for a little bit, there's still just one or two low spots that I found that I want to pull those up with a couple smaller tabs. Well, after a coat of putty and some paint work, she is ready for the customer. Nice and flat and beautiful black paint. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Catch you on the next one.